Hello,
Yes, sir.
are you listening me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir, we are
sir.
listening.
Listening, sir.
We are listening.
Thank you all of you. Just keep in mind two or three things. The people joining us on later stage, I am going to admit them. Don't worry about your attendance. I have marked some of the scholars earlier, but rest will be marked in the next session or in the end of this session. No problem. Finally, when we leave the class, I will repeat the attendance of the participants. So I will make sure nobody will miss this class.
Thank you, sir.
Uh, this is our first lecture, formal lecture. Earlier was a demo class, an introductory class. Here in your schemes of study, the first component, the first unit we have to discuss with is the research questions in linguistics. As you are the students of linguistics, and this linguistic falls in social sciences, and for teachers to teach or learn, there is the paradigm of a research or a component of research, a format of research, that is the educational research. It does not mean only for the teacher education programs. All of the programs fall in teaching and learning or in the social sciences. So these slides have been taken from the chapter 4, book of John W. Creswell, Sage Publications. It is a very self-explanatory book. I have uploaded it on CMS. If you feel it is not available there and not accessible to you, I may upload it again, or will send you the link wherever it is available. So you will get it from that source. Don't worry about that. It's very simple and self-explanatory, but there is a long story behind the stage we reach for research questions. In the roadmap of conduction of research, it is the first quarter last component to form the research questions. We have to pass through different stages. For example, first of all, we have to go to make a research title comprising over the variables, and then we go for introduction. We introduce, then have some component of literature view, that is the review of different previous research, and then there is a place we have to identify the gap in the research, ongoing research. So to fill that gap, the researcher propose some remedy and say this is the reason the researcher is going to conduct on the research on this topic. That is the basically purpose statement. So in the last paragraph of introduction, uh, might be with title or most of the time without captioning it, there is a rationale of the study. There it is stated that the purpose statement. Afterwards, we go for objectives, on the basis of those objectives, research questions and or hypotheses are made. So as it is on the number 1 in your schemes of study, so I have to start with that. Some people are raising hand. Please let me know what is the problem there.
Sir, would you please define what is hypothesis is? Actually, I'm confused about it. I don't have
आप
clear
स्टार्ट
concept
होने
about
से पहले कंफ्यूज हो गए, अभी तो मैं वहां गया ही
Excuse me,
नहीं
sir.
हूँ. अभी तो स्टार्ट तो लेने दें.
Excuse me,
बिल्कुल ये
sir.
सारा कुछ. जी जी प्लीज.
Okay, sir. Okay.
सर आपकी आवाज ब्रेक बहुत हो रही है, बहुत ज्यादा ब्रेक हो रही है.
ये आपके यहाँ इशू है. मेरे पास और भी कोई ये बता सकता है मुझे कि उनके यहाँ आवाज का मसला कैसा है?
No, sir, your audio is very clear.
Clear, sir.
I think so. Please check your
जी जी.
check from your side, might be there some problem.
सर
Okay.
सर हो रही है
Okay, sir,
आपकी
okay.
आवाज डिस्टॉर्टेड।
एक्चुअली आप सब लोगों ने माइक खोले हुए हैं, जब आप सब माइक ऑन रखेंगे तो डिस्टॉर्शन खत्म नहीं होगी। आप अपने माइक्स म्यूट करें, मैंने म्यूट किए हुए हैं लेकिन आप अनम्यूट कर लेते हैं। जब आप अनम्यूट करते हो तो डिस्टॉर्शन होती है, उसको फिर कोई रोक नहीं सकता। तो इसका मैंने स्टार्ट में बता दिया था कि बेहतर तरीका ये है कि आप अपने माइक्स को म्यूट करें। जहां कहीं आपको कोई रिजर्वेशन है, क्यूरी है, कोई बात कहनी है या पूछनी है, तो रेज हैंड करें, मुझे वहां से शो हो रहा होगा। फिर आप अपना ऑन माई कंसेंट अपना माइक जो है वो अनम्यूट करके बात करें। जब मैं कहूं कि जी प्लीज बताइए, तो आप अपना माइक अनम्यूट करें तो हमारी बात हो सकेगी। इस तरह डिस्टॉर्शन पैदा नहीं होगी। जब 2 से ज्यादा माइक एट द सेम टाइम ऑन होंगे तो डिस्टॉर्शन खत्म नहीं हो सकती। इज इट क्लियर?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
देखा, अभी भी मेरे इस सवाल के जवाब में 4 लोगों ने कहा यस सर। इट मीन कि 4 लोगों ने एट द सेम टाइम माइक्स ऑन किए, तो डिस्टॉर्शन तो होनी होनी है। okay, no problem. It's a novel classroom setting for all of us because we are familiar with the conventional class. So some of the problems will be there. With the passage of time, we will be used to of this and will make the thing. जी जुबैर खान, आप हैंड रेज कर रहे हैं, बताइए।
नो सर, ये पहले का हैंड रेज किया हुआ, अभी नहीं,
ओके
अभी
ओके
कोई
ओके
इशू
ओके, थैंक यू थैंक यू।
नहीं।
Now try to listen with the please keep quiet and listen. So I was just awareing about you the topics covered by this lecture or the slides going on. So Creswell has defined or described the things in detail, and I think I will be able to uh, more simplify the things going on. First of all, you can see, as I earlier discussed, what we have to do in this chapter. You will be able to, when this chapter will be completed, in the end, you the scholars will be able to distinguish among purpose statement, research questions, hypothesis, and objective. So ultimately, while discussing all these things, I will define them, their parameters, their features, their functions. So you will be able to describe why these statements and questions are important. Moreover, it will make able to you to write quantitative purpose statement and research questions and hypotheses. So let's start with what is the difference among various forms of direction in research. In this slide, you can see in left column in red color, there are 4 components we have to discuss about the purpose statement, research question, hypothesis, and research objectives. First of all is the intent. To read this, you have to go from left to right. So the intent of need of the purpose statement is overall direction. In purpose statement in the research, the overall direction has been described to which researcher have to follow, and research has to conclude that. And in research questions, the intent of research questions is to raise questions to be answered. You know, in process of research, in conduction of any of the research, researcher has to answer some questions to add something in existing body of knowledge. That is the intent of research questions. Whereas the need of hypothesis is to make predictions about expectations on the expectations of the society on the basis of previous knowledge. Researchers make some predictions. So the hypotheses are the things which are being tested. Basically, it's a theory that is tested. So the need of hypothesis is to make predictions. Accordingly, the intent of research objective is to state the goal. You know, in process of research, there are certain objectives or an objective to cope with. We the researchers have to go adapt a certain design or procedure or methodology or instrument analysis and results, so on. So this is the basic component of intent of research. Second is the form. Form mean in what form that these four things are stated. For example, purpose statement is stated. Purpose statement is stated in one or more sentences. And research questions are in the form of question. Just have to pose the question. These might be one or more. And hypothesis, again, the statements that might be more in number, more than one. And accordingly, objectives might also be more than one in number. I must say clear here, on the basis of objectives, researchers made their research questions or hypotheses. Do remember, research questions are made to answer the question on the research regarding those title or purpose statement. But hypotheses are made only for testing of a prevailing theory or phenomena. If the research is going to test some prevailing phenomena or theory, then in the process of research, researcher have to state the hypothesis. Otherwise, researchers go for research questions. Use, where these things are used. Purpose statement mostly is used in both type of the research, that is the quantitative research and qualitative research. And research questions are also used in both type of the research. But do remember, hypotheses are only for quantitative research. Mostly in the quantitative research, researchers have to make hypotheses, and Creswell also describe this. Might be somewhere in qualitative as well, but in my knowledge, as according to this Creswell, there are no availability of hypotheses. Typically in quantitative research, the research objectives are used. And the last one, placement, where these things are placed. Purpose statement is stated in the end of introduction, as I stated earlier when I started this first slide for introduction of the book. Research questions, hypotheses, and research objectives. These all are stated in the end of introduction after literature review on a separate section of the study. As I stated that, first of all, after the research title of your research, you go for introduction, then you go for rationale of the study. That is purpose statement is there, then is the place for literature of the review, a review of the related literature, that is also known as theoretical background. Many different terminologies in practice to be used for this: literature review of the related literature, or theoretical background. Afterwards come the stage of research objective or objectives. On the basis of these objectives, if research is about to test a theory or phenomena, researchers go for hypothesis. Otherwise, research questions are framed. It is all about the uh, distinguish of these all various forms of the direction in the research of these four components. I think so it's very clear. You do you want to ask here something, or should I move ahead?
Sir, I want to ask.
G, who is this?
Sir, I am Humaira.
Okay, G Humaira, what you want to say?
Sir, I want to ask about the purpose statement. I didn't get the point. What is purpose statement?
Purpose statement is the rationale of the research. G, next one.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
There are two.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, I want to ask a question. I couldn't understand the difference between research question and research objective. Actually, whenever I write a question and objective, it only seems that there is a difference between as objectives has been written in.
I got it, your point. Research objective is basically is the point, the purpose of the research. First one is the statement, but what is the purpose? To what goal, which goal you have to meet. So उस goal oriented कोई objectives आप बनाते हैं. Objective of this research is to, क्या करना है आगे, उसकी statement हम दे देते हैं. उस पे बेस करके हम रिसर्च क्वेश्चन एक बनाते हैं, पोज करते हैं, व्हाट, वेयर, व्हेन, व्हाई, सो, इज वगैरह यूज करके क्वेश्चन फॉर्म में फिर उसका हम जवाब देते हैं. थर्ड वन प्लीज. I saw another hand, raised hand, please. Who is? Okay. If no, I should move ahead.
Sir, I want to.
Gigi, please ask.
Sir, if you give an example, then it could be very helpful to us.
For what? Example for what?
Sir, in a research by the use of these four components.
Okay. If you allow me to go ahead, there is a written example in the next slide. Hello. अपना माइक बंद करें जी. Excuse me, माइक बंद करें. So you want example? So I can share the example here. Why these statements and questions are important. So ongoing slides, further slides are about to understand that grid you read in your first slide. ये आपस में बातें नहीं करें भाई. Why these statements and questions are important? These are important because they have to represent major signposts. They have to help to identify the appropriate method. What type of method of the research have to use by the researcher. These four components provide support towards this. They help to link intent with the results. Intent mean intention. That is objective. What was the objective of the research, to conduction of this research? So at large, in the end, when we conclude our research, the results have to meet the need of objectives. Objectives को हमें जवाब देना होता है, उसको the different. Hello, who is raising your hand, please? So to meet the objective, these things support towards the result over here. You know, in significance of the study, the researchers made different claims, like it's just going to end this session. 1 minute is left. I have given ID and password for next session on CMS. You go there and re-enroll you. I am waiting there for you. We'll meet you after 10 minutes and we'll discuss the next component, that is what we need to know: the design, purpose statement, research questions and hypothesis. Your question was हमें इसकी जरूरत क्यों है, तो यहाँ हम इसकी डेफिनेशन भी बताएंगे और इनकी नीड को भी डिस्कस करेंगे.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, I am Shgufta.
Yes.
Sir, please upload the book and these slides.
I have uploaded